Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel, Maths by Poonam Shukla. I'll teach different topics in maths, which will help understand topics, and you can stop fearing maths since it is only a game of understanding. Once you understand basics of maths, you will love to do all the time. So here we go. In this video, I start from number system of class 9th. So in number system, first we will learn about all types of numbers. So types of numbers, I start from natural numbers. What natural numbers are? Natural numbers are the numbers which we use for counting things. That means all counting numbers are the natural numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From where we start counting here? Start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and so on. So these numbers are called natural numbers, or you can say counting numbers. We denote this collection by the symbol N. Whole numbers. Now, come on, for whole numbers, all counting numbers, including 0, are called whole numbers. So all counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to so and so on, and including 0. So you will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on are called whole numbers. So whole numbers are the numbers which we use for counting, and whole numbers are the numbers which we use for counting and including 0. So here we denote this collection by the symbol W. Integers. Now integers contain all whole numbers along with natural numbers with negative sign. That means all negative numbers, all positive numbers, and 0. Collection of these numbers are called integers, right? So we denote this collection by the symbol I. Now here I have defined something. All negative numbers, you can say negative integers. All positive integers, positive numbers, you can say positive integers. And 0, you can say 0 integer, or simply 0. Next, we will learn about real numbers. What real numbers are? Real numbers contain the numbers with decimal and without decimal. So which numbers which contain with decimal numbers as well as without decimal numbers, those numbers are called real numbers. So in real numbers without decimal numbers are which numbers? Integers. And integer contain whole numbers, whole number contain all counting numbers. So in one sentence you can say all integers are the real numbers, but you cannot say vice versa. All real numbers are the integers. You can't say that, because integers contain with decimal numbers too. So what with decimal numbers are? We'll learn about that. With decimal numbers are divided into two parts: rational numbers, irrational numbers. So here in this video, we will learn about rational number. We will clarify each and everything about rational numbers. For irrational numbers, we will get some info here, but in detail, we will learn in another video. So what rational numbers are? Rational numbers can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. What does it mean? This means P upon Q in the form, this is the form to write rational number. And what P and Q are? P and Q are integers. Integers means all negative numbers you can include, or positive numbers you can include. You can include 0 also. But second condition says Q is not equals to 0. That means in place of P, you can include all integers, but in place of Q, 0 could not be there. Except 0, all integers could be there. Those are the rational numbers, which are written in the form of P upon Q. And irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Here I am explaining more about rational numbers. So rational numbers are of two types. terminating numbers and non-terminating numbers. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. Rational numbers are terminating numbers, non-terminating, repeating numbers. Yeah. And in that form, you can write it P upon Q, P upon Q, P upon Q, P upon Q. Here, value of P is 3, 4, 5, minus 11. Value of Q is 2, 3, 4, 5, except 0, Q could be any integer, right? Even it could be minus 3, it could be minus 7, it could be minus 25, or it could be 50, anything, right? So this is the form in which we write rational numbers. But here are some numbers which will be terminated and which some of the numbers which are non-terminating repeating numbers. So how do we find this difference? In next slide, I will teach you. But before going ahead, I'll tell you real numbers contain rational numbers, irrational numbers, and integers. Here we have learnt already. This is one liner. So here, see, rational numbers means these are rational numbers, these are irrational numbers, and these are without decimal means integers. So all three types of numbers are called real numbers. Okay. In next slide, I'll teach you what are terminating and what are non-terminating repeating numbers. So here we go. Here, so rational numbers. Okay. Rational numbers are 5 by 2. You can say 5 by 2. You can say 4 by 3, like that. So first is terminating number. What is terminating rational numbers? So terminating numbers are the numbers where you get remainder 0 at some point of time, right? So suppose if you are dividing 5 by 2, what you will get? 2 2s are 4, 1 decimal, 2 5s are 10. So here you are getting remainder 0. That means it is terminating here. It is terminating at this point, right? So this number is the terminating number. Clear? Now I will go for next, non-terminating repeating number. That also I will tell you here. Non-terminating repeating number. So here non-terminating repeating number. Non-terminating repeating, you can take any number and you can check whether it is terminating number or whether it is non-terminating repeating number. You can check any number. Okay, here I have taken two examples, two numbers, just to make you clear. So if you are dividing 4 by 3, it will give you 3 1s are 3, 1, then 3 3s are 9, 1, again 3 3s are 9, 1. So what you are getting here, you are not getting remainder value 0. You are getting remainder as repeating numbers. Remainder is repeating here. Repeating means all the time you are getting 1, 1, 1, and so on. It will go till infinity. That means it is non-terminating. It is not terminating anywhere, and it is repeating remainder all the time. So this is the non-terminating and repeating number. Clear? In this video, I'll stop teaching here. In another video, I'll teach you how to represent rational numbers on number line. Then we will go ahead for other topics of number system. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. You can press bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Thank you. Bye-bye.